Hello everyone, in this video we are going to be looking at digital marketing. What we are going to do is answer the question, what is digital marketing? Okay, let's get started. Digital marketing is a form of marketing. It's just a way of marketing a product or a service. But it's different from the traditional marketing. Traditional marketing includes methods like newspaper ads, poster ads, business cards, and billboards. Then what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the way of marketing a product or a service through electronic devices like computers, phones, tablets, and also the technologies like internet. It's just the way of marketing a product or a service through these electronic devices, mainly using the internet. Now let's see why it's important. As you know that the large majority of people use these electronic devices and internet to fulfill their needs, and also spend the time on social media and browse the internet in general. That's why digital marketing is more effective than the traditional marketing methods to reach there. You can just reach and engage with large audiences online in a more targeted and measurable way. Now let's look into the methods of digital marketing. Otherwise, you could also say types of digital marketing. Here I am giving you 6 types: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There may be different types you can talk about, but I think these are the more important. The first one is content marketing. The next one is SEO, search engine marketing, and then the second one is search engine optimization, SEO, and then search engine marketing. This one also known as PPC advertising, pay per click advertising, and the next one email marketing, and then affiliate marketing, and finally social media marketing. But in this video I'm not going to explain these methods in details because I would like to upload 6 videos to explain them separately. Finally, if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, goodbye and God bless you.